Now, I'd like to recommend one of our hot selling products to you. Dun dun! This is the K1114. So, let's check some more details. First, let's check the material. The body is made from die casting aluminium. As for this part, you can see it's sturdy clear glass. The size is a length of 105 millimeters times a width of 110 millimeters times a height of 230 millimeters. Now, as you guys must know that the light has a smart dusk till dawn sensor, which is more sensitive. It also has motion sense device inside, which can automatically turn off when no one is around. So no more fumbling in the dark. And the light also has two different modes. It has a dim mode and an eco mode. And just one click, you can easily switch the modes anytime. So one more important point is the waterproof. It is IP grade IP54, so it easily meets your requirement for various usage scenarios.